Are you tired of living with nerve damage and the limitations it brings? Look no further than the power of flaxseeds. In this video, we will dive into the hidden potential of these humble seeds and how they can aid in repairing and regenerating damaged nerves. So, join us on this journey of discovery as we unlock the secrets of these incredible seeds and unlock a world of possibilities for nerve repair and regeneration. Understanding nerve damage. Nerve damage is a common issue that can significantly impact a person's quality of life. It can occur due to various reasons, including injuries, medical conditions like diabetes, exposure to toxins or chemicals, and autoimmune diseases. Understanding the different causes of nerve damage is crucial for finding effective ways to repair and regenerate them. Causes of nerve damage. Accidents, infections, medications, and nutritional deficiencies can all lead to nerve damage. Compression or stretching of nerves in accidents or injuries can cause dysfunction and damage. Infections like Lyme disease or shingles can directly affect nerves and cause inflammation. Certain medications, such as chemotherapy drugs, can damage healthy nerve cells. Nutritional deficiencies in vitamins B12 and E can contribute to nerve degeneration. To prevent damage, it is important to have a well-balanced diet and understand these causes of nerve damage. Common symptoms of nerve damage. Tingling or numbness in the affected area is a common symptom of nerve damage. This can affect daily activities and overall quality of life. Muscle weakness or paralysis may occur if the nerves controlling muscle movement are damaged. This can greatly impact a person's ability to perform basic tasks and can cause significant disability. Sharp, shooting, or burning pain can be a sign of nerve damage. This pain can significantly affect a person's quality of life. Loss of coordination and balance may be experienced due to disrupted signals from damaged nerves. It is essential to address these symptoms of nerve damage to prevent further complications and explore ways to repair and regenerate the damaged nerves. The importance of nerve regeneration. Nerve regeneration is crucial for restoring normal function and sensation in affected areas. By promoting nerve regeneration, we can improve motor skills, relieve pain, and prevent further complications caused by nerve damage. Proper nutrition and a healthy lifestyle play a significant role in supporting this process. Recognizing the power of certain seeds can enhance healing and regain control of our health. Number 1. Flaxseed. Flaxseed is a hidden gem when it comes to repairing and regenerating nerves. This tiny seed packs a powerful punch with its numerous health benefits. One of the key reasons why flaxseed is so beneficial for nerve health is because it is a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats play a crucial role in maintaining the integrity of nerve cells and promoting optimal nerve function. Additionally, flaxseed contains high levels of vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that helps protect nerves from damage caused by free radicals. Furthermore, the fiber content in flaxseed aids in digestion, ensuring that nutrients necessary for nerve health are efficiently absorbed by the body. And let's not forget about the lignans found in flaxseed, which have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce nerve inflammation. Including flaxseed in your diet is a simple yet effective way to nourish and support your nerves. Nutritional profile of flaxseed. Flaxseed is a nutritional powerhouse, rich in protein, healthy fats, and essential vitamins and minerals. It is a great source of magnesium, which supports nerve function and regeneration. Flaxseed is also high in B vitamins, involved in energy production and nerve cell communication. Additionally, it provides zinc, essential for nerve repair and growth. Including flaxseed in your diet can effectively repair and regenerate nerves. How flaxseed promotes nerve regeneration. Flaxseed contains ALA, an omega-3 fatty acid that supports nerve regeneration. It maintains nerve cell integrity, promotes optimal function, and protects nerves from oxidative stress. Flaxseed's anti-inflammatory properties reduce inflammation in damaged nerves, allowing for better regeneration. Studies have shown that flaxseed oil improves nerve conduction velocity, enhancing signal transmission between nerves. Including flaxseed in your diet can repair and regenerate nerves. Ways to incorporate flaxseed into your diet. There are various ways to incorporate flax seeds into your daily diet for nerve repair and regeneration. Add ground flax seeds to smoothies or yogurt. Use flaxseed oil as a dressing for salads or cooked vegetables. Mix ground flax seeds into baked goods, or sprinkle whole or ground flax seeds on oatmeal or cereal. By getting creative with flax seeds, you can unlock their hidden power for nerve health. Number 2. Chia seeds. Chia seeds, also known as ancient grains, are tiny powerhouses of nutrition. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants, these little seeds offer a multitude of health benefits. One of their notable advantages is their ability to lower blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Moreover, chia seeds provide an excellent source of plant-based protein, making them a valuable addition to a balanced diet, especially for those looking to lose weight. On top of that, their high fiber content promotes regular bowel movements, improving digestive health. With their impressive nutritional profile and digestive benefits, incorporating chia seeds into your diet can be a simple way to nourish your nerves and support their repair and regeneration. Health benefits of chia seeds. Chia seeds offer more than just nutrition. They possess powerful properties that aid in nerve repair and regeneration. Their high antioxidant content reduces inflammation and protects nerve cells. Chia seeds also improve brain health and cognitive function. Additionally, they contain essential minerals for healthy bones and teeth. The high fiber content promotes satiety and helps maintain a healthy weight, supporting nerve repair and regeneration. Incorporating chia seeds into your diet provides various benefits for nerve health. Creative ways to consume chia seeds. There are many ways to incorporate chia seeds into your diet for their healing properties. Add them to smoothies or yogurt for a nutrient boost. Make chia seed pudding by combining them with milk or plant-based alternatives overnight. Sprinkle chia seeds on salads or oatmeal for a crunchy and nutritious addition. Use chia gel as an egg substitute in baking recipes for a vegan alternative. These ideas make it easy to benefit from the hidden power of chia seeds in repairing and regenerating nerves. Number 3. Hemp seeds. Hemp seeds, often referred to as a superfood, offer a multitude of benefits for nerve repair and regeneration. These tiny seeds are a powerhouse of nutrition, starting with their high protein content. Being a complete source of plant-based protein, hemp seeds provide all 9 essential amino acids that are crucial for nerve repair and regeneration. Additionally, hemp seeds are packed with omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, which are known for their brain health benefits and their ability to support nerve regeneration. These fatty acids also play a role in reducing inflammation in the body, promoting a favorable environment for nerve repair. With an impressive array of vitamins and minerals like vitamin E, magnesium, and zinc, hemp seeds further aid in nerve function and repair. Incorporating these nutrient-dense seeds into your diet can harness their hidden power and contribute to the repair and regeneration of damaged nerves. Nutritional value of hemp seeds. Hemp seeds offer various health benefits, including nerve repair and regeneration. These are filled with protein, fiber, and nutritious fats, which makes them an excellent supplement to any eating plan. Hemp seeds are also gluten-free and low in carbs, making them suitable for those with gluten sensitivities or on a low-carb diet. Incorporating hemp seeds into your diet can provide a powerful nutritional boost. Hemp seeds as a nerve-regenerating superfood. Research suggests that hemp seeds have neuroprotective effects on the nervous system due to their combination of essential fatty acids and antioxidants. These compounds can protect nerves, promote repair and regeneration, and reduce symptoms associated with neuropathic pain and peripheral neuropathy. Regularly incorporating hemp seeds into your diet may also improve cognitive function, protect against age-related cognitive decline, and alleviate symptoms of neuroinflammation. By harnessing the hidden power of hemp seeds, damaged nerves can be repaired and regenerated, offering hope and support for those seeking natural remedies for nerve health. Delicious recipes using hemp seeds. There are numerous methods to include hemp seeds in your diet. Sprinkle them on salads or yogurt for crunch and flavor. Blend them into smoothies or use as a topping for smoothie bowls. Add ground hemp seeds to cookies or muffins for protein and fiber. Make homemade granola bars or energy balls with hemp seeds, nuts, and dried fruits. These ideas enhance taste, texture, and provide the benefits of hemp seeds. Number 4. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are not only a tasty snack but also a powerful tool for repairing and regenerating damaged nerves. These tiny seeds are packed with essential nutrients that support nerve health. The rich magnesium content in pumpkin seeds plays a crucial role in nerve function and promotes overall nerve health. Additionally, the high antioxidant content in these seeds helps protect nerves from oxidative stress and damage caused by free radicals. By consuming pumpkin seeds, you can also reduce inflammation in the body, including nerve inflammation, thus providing support for nerve health. Furthermore, the omega-3 fatty acids in pumpkin seeds have been shown to aid in the repair and regeneration of damaged nerves. So, adding a handful of pumpkin seeds to your diet can provide the hidden power your nerves need to heal and thrive. Benefits of pumpkin seeds for nerve health. Pumpkin seeds are a hidden gem for nerve repair and regeneration. They contain essential nutrients like zinc and vitamin E, crucial for nerve health. The natural compounds in pumpkin seeds have neuroprotective properties, preventing nerve damage. Regular consumption can reduce symptoms of nerve disorders. Add pumpkin seeds to your diet for improved nerve health. Pumpkin seeds and their role in nerve regeneration. Pumpkin seeds contain components that promote nerve growth and repair. The antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and fatty acids in pumpkin seeds aid in nerve tissue repair. Pumpkin seed oil has also been traditionally used to stimulate peripheral nerve regeneration. By adding pumpkin seeds to your diet, you can support the natural healing process of damaged nerves and find relief for nerve health. Incorporating pumpkin seeds into your daily routine. Snacking on roasted pumpkin seeds is an easy and delicious way to incorporate them into your daily routine. Whether at home or on the go, a handful of crunchy pumpkin seeds provides a satisfying and nutritious snack. Add pumpkin seeds to breakfast cereal, yogurt, or smoothies for an extra boost of nutrients and nerve protective benefits. The mild, nutty flavor pairs well with a variety of foods, adding a pleasant crunch and richness. Try grinding pumpkin seeds into a fine powder and use it as a topping for salads or soups for a unique flavor and all the health benefits. Replace processed snacks with this nutrient-dense alternative that supports nerve repair and regeneration. Your taste buds and nerves will thank you. Other natural remedies for nerve regeneration. In addition to seeds, other natural remedies can promote nerve repair and regeneration. Consuming a diet rich in antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids supports nerve health. Stress-reducing techniques like meditation aid in healing. Acupuncture stimulates nerve function, while essential oils like lavender and peppermint provide relaxation and reduce inflammation. Turmeric, ginger, garlic, and cayenne pepper support nerve regeneration due to their anti-inflammatory properties. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle by getting enough sleep, avoiding alcohol consumption, and avoiding smoking further aids in nerve repair. Applying warm compresses or taking hot baths with Epsom salt relieves nerve pain and promotes healing. Incorporating these natural remedies enhances the power of seeds in repairing damaged nerves. Herbs and spices with nerve-regenerating properties. Certain herbs like St. John's wort, gotu kola, and ashwagandha have a long history in traditional medicine for their ability to regenerate nerves. They contain potent compounds that stimulate nerve growth and repair, benefiting individuals with nerve damage. Spices such as cinnamon and cloves also enhance nerve growth factors in the body, aiding in nerve regeneration. Rosemary improves blood circulation and has promising effects on nerve regeneration. Ginkgo biloba, known for its neuroprotective properties, supports overall nerve health. These natural remedies, combined with the power of seeds, offer a holistic approach to repairing and regenerating nerves, providing hope and relief for those seeking alternative healing methods. The role of exercise in nerve repair. Regular exercise promotes nerve repair and regeneration by producing growth factors and improving blood flow. It also reduces inflammation and helps maintain a healthy weight, reducing the risk of nerve damage. Engaging in activities like jogging, gym workouts, can enhance nerve regeneration. Supplements to support nerve health. In addition to the power of seeds and natural remedies, there are supplements that aid in nerve repair and regeneration. One such supplement is alpha-lipoic acid, which improves nerve function and reduces peripheral neuropathy symptoms. Vitamin B12 is also crucial for nerve health, as deficiency can lead to damage. Omega-3 fatty acids in fish oil have anti-inflammatory properties that benefit nerves. Acetyl-L-carnitine shows promise in enhancing nerve regeneration and relieving neuropathic pain. Incorporating these supplements supports nerve repair and offers natural solutions for nerve health.